In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Dropbox with Outlook so you can share files quickly and boost your productivity. Start by opening dropbox.com in your browser and log into your account. Once inside, look to the sidebar and click on More. Then select App Center. In the App Center, type Dropbox for Outlook in the search bar and hit Enter. Click on the app. Then press Connect. You will go through a quick setup where you approve permissions. This ensures a secure link between Dropbox and Outlook. Now let's test it. Head back to your Dropbox files. Right-click the one you want to share and select Share. From the menu, choose Outlook. A new Outlook email will automatically with the file link included. Just add your recipient, type your message and hit Send. And that's it. You have successfully integrated Dropbox with Outlook, making it super easy to share files directly from your Dropbox account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.